we will explain how shoes are made step by step. This process has 4 simple steps. Here we go. Hello, my name is Ana Valesca Salinas Ponce. I'm in section 1900 and my teacher is Henry Maradiaga. And this is the step 1. The material is prepared. Different materials are used, such as leather or fabric. These materials are chosen carefully. Then, the material is cleaned to remove dust and dirt. After that, the material is checked for quality. Only strong and good materials are selected. Next, the material is cut into large sections. These sections are organized and prepared for the next step. Also, the material is measured to make sure the size is correct. Everything is checked one more time. And finally, the material is ready for the next step in the process. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily Stacy Cano Gomez from English 2, section 1900 with Professor Henry Maradiaga. Once the materials are prepared, we move on the second phase of the process, the coding phase. The core process. In this step, the design stamps are placed on the leather or synthetic fabrics. Next, using high-precision laser or high-powered electric hydraulic presses, the different sections of the shoe are cut into a specific shape. Quality control and finish. Once the cutting is complete, the edges are trimmed to facilitate subsequent stitching. Finally, all the components are assembled and sent to assembly line. This is how raw materials begin to take the shape of a professional athletic shoe. Thank you for attention.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Maradiaga, and to any viewer present. My name is Jose Orellana, and below you will see some of the steps involved in assembling the shoes. Okay, after the plates are cut, the assembly of the shoe begins. First, sole bonding. The sole is attached to the upper with glue. Special glue is used to make the shoe stronger. Second, sew the shoe. The shoe parts are sewn together by machine. Machines are used to make the process faster. Then, shaping the shoe. The materials are cut into different shapes. And quality review. The shoes are checked for quality before packaging. This step is done to avoid defects. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Denise Martinez Molina. My section is 1900 and my teacher is Henry Maradiaga. And this is the step 4. The shoes are finished. Trimming. Excess dirt, leather or material upkeep of the clean the shoes eggs. Buffing or polishing. The shoe surface is smooth and polished for shine and uniformity. Excoloring. The edges of the sole and heel are painted or dyed for a neat look. Cleaning. Dust and glue residues are removed from the shoes. Final inspection. Quality control check for defects or imperfection. Packaging. Shoes are packed with tissue boxes or protective material for delivery. Thank you.